So today we're going to look at a special type of refraction using lenses. And there's two shapes of lenses. One looks a bit like a teardrop, and that's called a convex lens because it bends outwards. One bends inwards like this, and it's called a concave lens. We're going to see what they do to light by firing 3 light beams at them, and then we're going to be able to sort of work out how they're used to help people's vision and to do things like magnify and so on. Alright, so that's our aim. So here we'll see we've got 3 light beams that are spreading out just a little bit. Alright, so they're spreading out a little bit already. If I put a convex lens in there, what do we notice happens to those light rays? They bend back in, and the word we use for that is converge. They come to a point, I'll just move this back a little bit. They come to a point up here called the focal point, or the focus. Alright? And you have a lens like this in your eyes, which focuses everything on the back of the eye on a part called the retina. Now, if that one focused them, or brought them together, what do you think this one's going to do? Spread them apart. Really good prediction. Let's see if you're right. Were you right?
Yep. And it crosses them back.
And it crosses them at the back. Very good. So the focus for these is actually behind it, where it's done a little bit of what we call reflection. Okay, so that surface looks a little bit like a concave mirror. So these are our 2 shapes. But as well as that, we're going to have to work out what happens if we make these thicker or thinner. And that's one of your little things to play with today. So a lot of today's experiment will be playing rather than doing the actual experiment in the book. It'll be playing with lenses to see what happens.